Most people get CRM software completely wrong. They think it's just a fancy contact list. But here's the truth no one tells you. The right CRM can literally decide whether your small business grows or collapses in 2026. In this video, you're going to understand the best CRM software for small businesses right now, how each one actually performs in real use, and which option fits your business size and budget. By the end, you'll know exactly which CRM to pick so you don't waste money or time switching later. Let's get straight into it. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, helps you track leads, manage customers, and close more sales without losing follow-ups. Think of someone like Jake running a small marketing agency. Without a CRM, he forgets leads and misses calls. With a CRM, everything is organized in one place and sales become predictable. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all CRMs are built for small businesses. Some are too complex. Some are too expensive. And some look good but slow you down in real work. Starting with HubSpot CRM. This is one of the most beginner-friendly options. It's easy to set up, and you can start for free. It works great for small teams like a local service business or a startup testing their first customers. But as you scale, paid features become necessary. Next is Zoho CRM. This one is popular for small businesses that want customization without high cost. A business owner like Alex, running an online store, can automate follow-ups and track every customer interaction. But here's the problem. The interface can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Now here's where it gets interesting. Pipedrive is built for sales-focused teams. If your main goal is closing deals fast, this one keeps everything visual and simple. You drag and move deals through your pipeline like a checklist. Salesforce is powerful, but honestly, it's overkill for most small businesses. It shines when companies grow bigger and need advanced automation. Freshsales is another strong option. It combines ease of use with built-in communication tools, so you can call, email, and track leads in one place. And finally, Monday CRM. This is best if your business is already using project management tools and you want everything in one workspace. So here's the simple takeaway. If you want easy setup, go HubSpot. If you want customization, go Zoho. If you want pure sales focus, go Pipedrive. Choosing the right CRM is not about features. It's about how smoothly it fits into your daily workflow. If this helped you understand CRM tools clearly, like this video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that save you time and money.